today we want to do an experiment to determine the factors that affect the pressure in the liquid. So if you look at in the textbook, experiment 2.1, page 41 in your textbook, there is an experiment to determine the relationship between the depth of the liquid and the pressure in the liquid. So in this experiment, your manipulated variable will be the depth of the liquid. Responding variable is the pressure in the liquid, represented by the difference in height of the water in the U-tube, and the constant variable is the density of the liquid. Okay guys, so we can set up the apparatus as you can see in this video. So initially the tester funnel is outside the measuring cylinder, and the levels of water in the both arms of the U-tube is the same. Okay, firstly we need to immerse the tester funnel into the measuring cylinder until the depth is at 2.0 cm. Then you can determine the difference in height of water columns between the two water levels in the U-tube. And then you can repeat the experiment with 4 other different values, which are 4 cm, 6 cm, 8 cm, and the last one is 10.0 cm. Okay, and then you need to record all the difference in height of the water columns in the table form. So from there you can plot the graph to analyze the relationship between the depth of water and the difference in Okay, here we have our results. The depth of water start with 2.0 until 10.0, and the difference in height of water column D from 2.6 correspond to each water level until 10.2 centimeters. From here you can plot the graph. So from the result of this experiment, the relationship between the water pressure and the depth of water is directly proportional. So make sure that when you do the experiment, your eyes must be perpendicular to the scale of meter rule to avoid parallax error.
Okay, the next experiment is about the effects of density on the pressure in liquid. So stay tuned guys.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Okay, today we will do an experiment about